Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an identified network, no internet access on Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to search for command prompt. Simply type CMD for short to search it. So once you have successfully opened your command prompt, proceed to run as administrator. Click on it. Okay. Your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open this window. Here you need to paste a command, which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So no worries for that. Okay. So here you need to paste one by one. Enter. Once it has successfully reset the Winsa catalog, proceed to the second one, which is we need to flush the DNS. Paste it again, click enter. Once it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, proceed to the third one, which is we need to renew our IP configuration. Click enter. Okay. Once just have to wait until it will renew our IP configuration. Once done, proceed to the second one. Okay. Just have to type exit. Okay. Click enter. And here you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which is here at the bottom search bar. This time, let's search for control panel. Once you've typed it, go for the best match, which is the control panel itself. Just double tap to continue. And here at the control panel items, change this window type into category. Once done, proceed to network and internet next to system and security. Click on it. And here it has two options. Proceed to network and sharing center. Click on it once again. And here you need to select your connections. Simply click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, this Wi-Fi status window would appear. Here you need to go with properties. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open your Wi-Fi properties. Here you need to go with Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, click on properties. And here you need to change the, if in your case it is obtained in a server addresses automatically is enabled, enable this, use the following DNS server addresses and input this preferred DNS server, which is the best Google's DNS 8.8.8.8, and go with alternate DNS server, which is 8.8.4.4. Once done, click on OK to apply and close this window. Okay, so check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, which is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to the left side of it. It has this network and internet aligning the list of the options. Click on it. And this time you need to scroll down and go with advanced network settings. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you would see different settings here about network. Proceed to network reset, click on it. And here, aligning the network reset itself, you can see the reset now. Just have to reset your network. It will reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So this will fix your problem. Okay, once done, just have to restart your computer and you're good to go once you have relaunched it again. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully those steps helps you to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.